Illumi One is a platform that allows you to create and collaborate on multiple different kinds of ideas with whiteboards in a very nice and sleek way. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and as you can see, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say write a business plan for my website. And let's go with that. I'm going to put in my website here. Let's go with jjohnson.co.uk. Cool. You can also upload files, images, URLs to provide more context. And if you want, you can also choose an agent to start with as well, or you can create a blank board. In any case, I'm going to start off with this. I'm going to ask Illumi and see exactly what we get from this here. Okay, cool. So yeah, this is really cool. I like this interface so far. This canvas interface is getting quite popular. I think the combination of a canvas and a chatbot interface is yeah, definitely like the future of work and yeah, user experiences. In any case, we've got some interesting things coming out here. Based on the website, Jay Johnson appears to be a creative AI consultant who has transitioned from a successful music career into the artificial intelligence space. Very true. Cool. So we've got a bit of context here. It looks like it scraped some metadata as well. And yeah, it's basically done this using, three different large language models. As you can see, we've had, let me just go over here. We've had, looks like Claude. It's a little difficult to navigate. I think maybe this could be, okay, if I use the hand tool, it's much easier. Cool. So yeah, we had Claude talk about this, and then we had GPT-4 give this, and then DeepSeek as well. So from here, I can, of course, you know, start creating and sharing these kind of ideas with others. I can copy this note for now and also then edit it. So if I want to put it on here.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
I can start editing the information that's on here. If I go to more, I can basically start downloading this as well, which is quite interesting. If I want, I can, you know, I think I should be able to, yeah, I can link this to anything else. And of course, I can actually use these different kind of tools as well, like a daily assistant, image maker, or strategic thinker. Could employ the strategic thinker to ask, you know, how can I best position myself if, let's say, I wanted to go to market with something. But yeah, there's a whole host of different kind of templates you can use. I recommend getting into this, and also just seeing what you can create can be an interesting way to visualize information and any sort of work that needs to be done.
If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.